What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in today. We are out here over by the Temecula Duck Pond right now. We have the 350Z back. Finally, check this out. It is finally the day. This is the first time we're actually going and hanging out with the Z today. We got the car back like 2 days ago and I was busy yesterday, so I wasn't able to drive it very much, but I was thinking about it all day. This morning was finally the morning. We're gonna go out and go for a cruise, you guys. Look at this thing. Gosh, I just missed it so much. We found this awesome little shaded parking spot here, the duck pond and all the ducks. Pretty cool. This is a pretty good photo spot too. One thing I really want to do is a parking garage photo shoot. It's been a long time since I've done that, so we might actually go head over towards the mall. I'm gonna make a video coming up in the future about the whole insurance and what happened, but I'm super thankful that it was able to be fixed. Usually cars with that much damage on them just go straight to the part out yard and you don't really ever see them again. They had the wheel guy come out and repaired these wheels. I mean, I don't know if they've ever looked better. Both wheels got it. I don't know if you guys remember, but the curb rash was absolutely terrible on this front wheel and it's gone now, which is unbelievable. I don't know who did their wheel repair. I wish I could like put their name right here because they did such an amazing job, but ducks. They repainted above the door. You grabbed too long of a screw and you put that screw inside the door. If it's not the right screw, it'll just come through the door, no problem. So we're able to get that welded and fixed and everything. So enough talking, let's get in the driver's seat and we'll go cruise around now. I haven't really driven a loud car since, you know, obviously April 3rd. So it's gonna be pretty awesome to drive this thing. I drove it here obviously, but I didn't get on it, you know, I just like cruise here slowly. But she should be warm now, so we should be able to get on it a little bit. I forgot what it feels like driving this thing, and just sitting inside the driver's seat right now is just, it's unreal. All right, here we are back in the Z. Let's do it. Oh. Man, getting in and out of this parking lot is like trying to traverse the surface of Mars. All right, we're out of here. Alright, so we just left the duck pond. If you guys have ever been to Temecula, you pretty much can't come to Temecula without seeing the duck pond. It's like right off the freeway, but right now we're actually headed over to the mall because I want to get out and do a walk around of this thing in the parking garage, just because parking garage shots are underrated. They're underrated. I just had a random flashback of, I don't know if you guys remember, last year on my birthday, we actually were driving around just like this. We went to the parking garage and there were some guys doing like donuts at the parking garage and then they got caught by the police. Yes! Oh, he's doing donuts. Dang. What's up? So I couldn't hear you. Nah. Holy crap. All right. No way. They're gonna start swinging it. Oh, God. Yeah, oh my God. Oh. That's crazy. Cops are definitely arriving. You guys, I didn't even, there's some birthday donuts, which is pretty cool.
5 minutes later.
Oh my gosh, you guys, it happened. Dang, man, dang. Luckily, we did not get ourselves involved in that because that could have been a lot worse. You never know when you're gonna see some crazy stuff at the parking garage, so it's always fun to cruise over there, see what's happening, see what the haps is. This right here is the back side of the local car scene meet. I can't wait for the next one of those. Now that we got the Z back, we have to go to the local car scene meets. I mean, we were going to them either way with the Miata, but now that we got the Z back, I was thinking, once my brother comes down from San Diego, I'll take the Z and then he can take the Miata. Oh, and once we have the RPF ones on the Miata, it is gonna be the combo, you guys, like the combo. I can't wait. That's gonna be so crazy. So we had to get in that turn lane over there, so I kind of have to get in front of this lady, which is fine. Oh no, she's already gassing it. Oh, that's never good. I'm going. Hello, lady. Don't mind me. Thank you. Give the little wave. Can't be mad when you wave, you know? All right, at the mall. See, what I normally do is when I come to the mall to go to the parking garage and take pictures, I gotta drive down the center right here. You gotta drive down the center. I don't know if you guys have like a center in your mall, but there was a long time when actually this didn't even exist. They were like, no, let's have people drive through it. And I think it's pretty cool. Dang. There's literally no one here. Like, it is empty right now. I guess it's 8:53 a.m. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. Funny thing, I used to work at Yard House on the end over here for like 2 years as a host. They open at 11. So I mean, like, they don't even open for 2 hours and 10 minutes. So we're definitely early. Parking garage should be wide open right now. It's kind of weird seeing it empty. Like, it's super rare I ever see like the bottom level of the parking garage empty like this. Let's head up to the second floor. All right, so my GoPro randomly overheated, so I had to chill for a second in the AC. Fourth floor of the parking garage. There's more people on the fourth floor of the parking garage than there are on any of the other ones, because specifically, I'll let you in on a secret here. When I worked at Yard House, they told me specifically to park on the fourth floor. That was like the employee level, which is kind of crazy to think about. I guess we gotta get out and do a walk around up here too, just because that's what you do. Oh, look at all these burnouts and skid marks over here, you guys. All right. I guess we'll park right in the middle of it in an angle to make it look like it was us. But it's not us, obviously, because I don't condone drifting in public places like this. Boom, like this. If a cop rolled up right now, it'd be hard to talk us out of this one. Oh, it looks so cool, though. Sheesh. I think I gotta take a picture. That's just crazy. The color of this thing, it just like, I think it just pops more than probably any other red I've ever seen. How does this 16-year-old car look so dang good? This car looks like something you'd go to the dealership and just drive it off the lot brand new. Oh man, oh shoot. I thought that was a scratch. We got a spider web. Not like a paint spider web, but like an actual spider web. Unreal, absolutely unreal. I think we need a thumbnail. All right, so before the GoPro overheats again, let's jump back inside and go for more cruising. I do have one park I want to go to right now. This looks like a pretty good spot. Wow. Dang, man. I mean, this thing pops in the shade like no other. Wow, that is crazy. I still cannot get over the bodywork. Literally perfect. Like you would never guess that happened. I had the GoPro on, so my hair is a mess. Bear with me. But I know I've already said it, but there was a time in my life I thought I was never gonna see this thing again. And I always had this dream that I was gonna have this massive garage someday with all of my cars in there. And this thing and the Miata were gonna be sitting on the end, you know, and the day I found out I wasn't maybe gonna have this thing, obviously you can get a new one and repaint it, but like, this wasn't the original, you know? Like, we made all those videos in this thing. So, I don't know, I'm just super sentimental about weird stuff like that, but I'm just so happy that it's here. And we get to park it next to the Miata, and it's, gosh, I don't know. I know it's a material item. It's not like a person or anything, but I just like, it makes me so happy to be here with this thing. So my GoPro overheated again. I don't know why it's doing that. I'm gonna figure that out when I get home, but let's head out. We got some cool pictures. Sun or the shade, doesn't matter. This thing just looks crazy. Sheesh. Yeah. Jeez. There's a smiley face on the side of that hill. It's pretty cool. Smiley face, and look at that thing. All right, so we're gonna cruise through here. This is like a little cut through to get to the park I was talking about. Oh, that 240 though. Yes. Bro, that lady was driving the cleanest 240 ever. Dang. You never see just a 240 cruising. I mean, come on. I mean, that is just so much fun. All right, so my GoPro just died. I gotta figure that out. Between the overheating, yesterday my SD card was freaking out, and then now the camera's dying, so maybe I just gotta get a new battery too. I think I left it in the car and it got like 115 degrees in here, and I think that just, electronics just do not do very good in the heat. So I think I made a mistake, but I'm gonna try and figure that out. We gotta look at this thing one more time. Pulled off into some shade. This thing is nuts. This thing is unreal. Jeez. It's just crazy to have this thing back. So thankful for you being here watching this video, and the future's bright, just about as bright as this car. I want to go on a bunch of road trips. I want to get this thing clear wrapped, just like protect it, you know, protect all the paint, because rock chips are real. rock chips are real. So thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna try and post more often. I know my last video was posted like 2 weeks ago, but I actually got sick. Obviously, I'm feeling way better now. Drop a subscribe if you haven't yet already. If you made it to the end of this video, you might as well, because I post videos like this seriously all the time. 350Z is back, so you already know it's gonna be appearing a lot more in these videos. We've been driving the Miata a lot lately. Ooh, brand new RPF one's going on the Miata very soon. Like seriously, as soon as I get this video up and we drive over there and film it, like as soon as that all happens. But when I got sick, it kind of put everything on hold. But we're back, we are good to go. It is gonna be great. I'm just excited for the next like 6 months. So I hope you guys are too. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I post my next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.